With a maximum available towing capability of up to 3,500 pounds, Mazda's CX-90 PHEV has been created to be exceptionally capable. Active all-wheel drive plays a key role in strengthening those capabilities, especially when the conditions are challenging. And towing mode, accessed through Mazda's Intelligent Drive Select technology, or MI Drive, further enhances those capabilities. It allows you to change your vehicle's drive mode at the toggle of a switch to suit virtually any surface, and it also makes CX-90 a more confident and capable tow vehicle. Whether you're pulling motorbikes to the trails or ATVs for your next outdoor adventure, towing a large weight will inevitably compromise a vehicle's driving characteristics. MI Drive's towing mode is available on select trims and can be selected when CX-90 is connected to an authorized Mazda trailer hitch. The towing mode adjusts how the transmission shifts to compensate for the weight of the trailer, and it preloads the all-wheel drive system to enhance stability and to preserve the handling of the vehicle, even with a trailer in tow.